Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today we have got something very special for you. Let's see what we have got. We've just got a package from Amazon and that has arrived just now. So let's just find out what's in this. So now let's just open the packet. And ooh, that's OnePlus 3. It's the T variant, OnePlus 3 T variant. So let's open it. So let's just have a look at the box. We have got a dash charge created together with our fans, and the manufacturing was in February 2017. The box says mobile phone, cable, charger, quick start guide, safety information, tray ejector. So let's just open it. Oh wow, this is beautiful. This is the actual phone. It says the center of back camera is the center of NFC sensor. So let's just keep it aside. Let's find out what's inside the box. I think something's hidden in this. Oh. We've got a quick start guide, a SIM tray ejector, some safety information booklet, some stickers from OnePlus 3. What else we have got in the box? This is some kind of a promo code. We'll just find it later on. We've got a dash charge cable, or it's the latest USB 3 connector, and then we have got our dash charge adapter. It says 5 volt 4 ampere, and the input is 0.6 ampere, so that's a pretty decent spec. This ends the box. Now let's just switch on this beauty. A gorgeous screen. This is full black AMOLED display. This is actually booting for the first time now. Let's see what we get here. Beyond this, we have got a volume controller, and this is the SIM tray ejector area, and this is power on off plus keeping the phone on sleep. A bumpy camera, a flash, some warnings, and security sticker. I'm not gonna remove this now. We've got a screen now. It says okay. Google keyboard, next. Skip. It's asking me what to set the time. Next. Skip. It's Google. Next. All set up. Some more. We've got the screen here now. Let's find out what's the version. It's on 6.0.1 with 6 GB RAM and 64 GB. This is the 64 GB model that I've got. So friends, that ends the unboxing video of OnePlus 3T. Hope you have liked it. For more videos, you can check out my YouTube channel, and I'll be here with a complete review of this phone very soon. Thank you.